Welcome to the Chronarium Sleep Lab. So over the next 15 minutes, we would like to invite you to lie back in your hammocks and immerse yourself completely in the surrounding light and sound, which will gently take you from your current awake and alert state to deep relaxation.
So the Chronarium is a public sleep laboratory, and it's the first time we've ever presented the project, and it's about transforming public space and inviting people into an enclosed bubble to learn the skills of sleep and rest.
We encourage you to keep your eyes open as the lights gradually change, gently encouraging your body to a relaxed state.
We've developed a bespoke light and sound scheme that looks to put people, shift people into very different states of relaxation. Ultimately, we're looking at how our environments can be adapting and changing based on our needs, physiological needs or mental needs, emotional needs, using different types of biometric sensors. We worked with Anna Meredith, a composer who developed a soundscape especially for the piece and ran through a spectrum of coloured lights which all had impacts on people's brain states and sleepfulness. And just made some amazing discoveries from these collaborations with some sleep scientists and neuroscientists looking at the effects of the environment on the health and well-being of the body and the physiology and the brain in general.
During the last 5 minutes, you will be in total darkness, where you can close your eyes and allow your body and mind to relax completely.
The original idea of the Chronarium was that it was a huge inflatable Faraday cage in the city that provided a bubble for people to be cut off from technology. And the more we began researching into sleep and the conditions needed for sleep, the more we realised we could use technology in a much more positive way to recondition and help people learn these skills. The Chronarium is really looking at scarcity, so a lot of the work we do at Loop looks at scarcity in the city. So we've done projects that deal with water and energy, and in this instance we're looking at the smart nation and looking at the kind of lifestyle changes that technology brings. A lot of technology is based on increasing productivity and a faster speed of life. So we're looking at how we could use technology to slow people down and create restful spaces.
And allowing yourself a little bit of time to really enter the space. It takes a few moments to just settle into the space.
It went down incredibly well. It was packed the whole week, and we had people returning day after day in their lunchtime to get their 15 minutes little recharge and rest. And we had people really interested in the way that technology and sleep science, as well as even some meditative processes, were used in the installation, have been really, really well received.
First of all, I thought I was on a movie set, right? Like in a trailer for a sci-fi movie. And then I thought I was in a pod about to be blasted into space. When it went dark, I thought I was like going back into a womb.
And slowly I just drifted off. But I did have pleasant thoughts though, that was a funny thing. Very pleasant thoughts. Maybe because I'm brooding, I had thoughts of babies.
Once you get in, it feels like you're weightless, so it's yeah, it's very different from a bed.
We do a lot of work looking at future scenarios, and we look at the city and how it could be developing. And we are looking at ways in which we can use technology and ways to control the environment to create much calmer spaces that move beyond public parks and greening, which we're all really familiar with. We would like to have much longer research projects with neuroscientists looking at the effects of the environment on the body.
I think we need to slow down. I think Singapore is just too fast, and it's a go, go, go all the time. I feel it because I work with deadlines all the time. It doesn't end.
I think it will work great for like corporate offices.
It's good to have it like in the business area where people just come in and relax for 15 minutes.
In the middle of like the office space. Yeah, with that soothing soundtrack and stuff, I think it'll be great for productivity.
It'll be good because my school is very nearby, so you can set it up there. After school, I'll just come and sleep for a while.
Sleep is really important, so if you can get good sleep every night, I guess your daily life will be improved.
We're now approaching the end of this experience, but it's very important that we bring you around slowly and respectfully. Now, And with your eyes either open or closed, I want you to focus on your breathing.
I was really surprised at the willingness for people to kind of, really chill out and sleep in the middle of a very busy shopping mall.
You're ready for the rest of your day, but you've had a wonderfully relaxing experience. And we'd like to finally thank you for participating in the Chronarium Sleep Lab.